I think the best telltale sign was the credit crisis, because that's when markets really get tested out. And we had a massive amount of claims in our market, and I think it was a true time to kind of test the market and see if it actually performed and if claims got paid out and if the insurance really did what it was supposed to do. And fortunately for us, it did, and there were a ton of claims that were paid out. And to kind of quantify a ton of claims, there was somewhere between $3 and $3.5 billion worth of claims that got paid out to banks. So the product was tested, banks loved the way the product performed, and then the product was actually used a lot more after that financial crisis. We work in conjunction with a law firm. A lot of other underwriters and brokers work in conjunction with law firms to make sure that those wordings are Basel III compliant, because you can use our product to get credit relief, but it has exponential benefits if you get capital relief with the product. So using those wordings properly to qualify as an eligible guarantee under the US Fed guidelines, which were passed in 2013, benefits these clients a lot.
Here in the States, the common practice was often to have one or two carriers with very large line sizes underwriting a single placement. And over the last 5 years or so, we have seen real growth in the US market in terms of placing multiple carriers on a single transaction. For the clients, there are some key benefits. So a client might have transactions that they want to insure with 3 buyers, 3 separate transactions that are all quite writable, as we would say. They're pretty good risks. Now, if they write those all with one carrier, they have one relationship with an underwriter. If they write those with multiple carriers, they have multiple relationships. So when that 4th deal comes in and it's challenging, they'd have 4 people to go through versus 1, and that 1 might not want that challenging deal. So I think the relationship piece is key. If you syndicate with multiple carriers and you have a large claim that comes in, it's somewhat easier to stomach a smaller amount of a claim than have one carrier covering an entire claim.